Hello everybody and welcome back to Dubious Engineering. So we went camping recently, hot tent camping actually. This is using a canvas pole tent and my homemade or DIY welded together fabricated log burner, which is made out of an old gas bottle. Myself, Matthew, Simon and Haley all went along and we took this old school canvas tent with us. We were really happy that we had this set up because in the mornings it was minus 4.7 degrees centigrade, which is quite cold. There was a lot of frost on the car window. We were really happy to have that equipment with us, and it was fabricated actually out of an old gas bottle and some vintage stove flue that I had. Trying to weld that together was really good fun because it was very thin wall stove flue and quite a thick wall gas bottle. Anyway, here's a little step-by-step visual guide on how we get that setup working and how we prepare our campsite. The campsite itself is actually dedicated to campers and fire makers, so there are fire pits in various places. It's not really a leave it as you find it type of place, although we do make sure that we leave it very tidy and litter free. Now the good news, with this equipment we don't even scorch the grass. Anyway, so in this video we do get a little bit scientific with meters for moisture and temperature. Also, we're quite careful in the way we prepare our wood and the way we light our fires, as we like to do it in a sort of slightly traditional manner without papers and without modern fire lighters. So what we're going to do is just run through all of the different sequences, including unpacking the equipment, getting the tent erected, setting up the stove, preparing the wood, looking at the moisture, preparing feather sticks and battening those little matchsticks so that you get a fire first time around, and then obviously we'll get into the fire lighting techniques. But it was a magnificent little holiday and we really enjoyed it, and what made it better, it was cold, and what made it even better, it was warm inside the tent. Anyway, thanks as always for watching. If you haven't watched before, welcome to Dubious Engineering. Please go ahead and check out some of our other videos. There's quite a lot of stuff out there that might pique your interest. Again, thanks for watching, take care, subscribe, a thumbs up, thumbs down, maybe even put a comment or two if you can take the time out to do so, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Take care, cheers, thanks again.